Hello to all class 10 students and class, I believe that you all are doing great. We are in lesson number 7, destruction of ecosystem. This is for class 10, economic application, right? So in the previous video what we discussed was about ecosystem, and I told you that ecosystem is a network where living and non-living organisms live each other and they are highly dependent on each other, right? And then we moved on and then we discussed about the ecosystem and its destruction, land uses, change in land uses. We read about all these things. Today we'll be moving forward with, we are actually in this chapter what we are basically doing is this: we are talking about all those things, all those factors, all those reasons which are disrupting our ecosystem, right? What are the things that are disrupting our ecosystem? The first one we are going to do is today industrialization and urbanization So this is the first point that we are going to discuss today, and let's start with what is industrialization. Basically, industrialization is the process which started way back, and it is the process when it is the period or process when the industries are set up in order to go for mass production. Right? So basically industrialization, what is industrialization? Industrialization is the process by which an economy is transformed from primary or agricultural economy to the industrial or manufacturing economy. Right? Industrialization is the process, so we are doing this. Through which what is happening, through which here a country, here an economy, through which an economy transforms. So what is exactly happening here is that an economy is what it is transforms from an agricultural economy to a manufacturing economy. So what is industrialization? Industrialization is a process. It is what? It is a process through which actually what is happening, through which the country is transforming. Basically this is a very important word here. Okay? Transforming मतलब changing. An economy is changing from agricultural economy to a what? To a manufacturing economy. Alright? And manual labor is often replaced by mechanized. Manual labor, and क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Manual labor is often replaced by machines. मैनुअल लेबर को क्या होगा यहाँ पे? मैनुअल लेबर्स हटा दिए जाएंगे, रिप्लेस कर दिए जाएंगे. किसके साथ कर दिए जाएंगे रिप्लेस? मशीन के साथ. ठीक है? किसके लिए? फॉर मास प्रोडक्शन. ठीक है? इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इंक्लूड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, मोर एफिशिएंट डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर, बेटर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, एफिशिएंट यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, these all things. So what exactly is happening in the industrialization? So first of all, it becomes very important for us to understand that what exactly industrialization is. Industrialization is process where under which a country transforms itself from an agricultural economy to a manufacturing economy, and usually in this industrialization process the manual labor is often replaced by what? By machineries. ठीक है? Industrialization क्या है? Transformation है, change है, from agriculture to industrial economy. Industrialization is usually associated with increase in total and living standard of society. तो एक और important चीज होती है यहाँ पे, क्या होता है? अपग्रेडेशन होता है, अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल, लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल. और इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन कोई आज का प्रोसेस नहीं है। 1800 सेंचुरी में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो चुका था, जब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मशीनरी का इस्तेमाल किया जाने लगा, जिसे हम इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन भी कहते हैं। मशीनरी का इस्तेमाल किया जाने लगा किसके लिए? फॉर मास प्रोडक्शन, ठीक है, फॉर मास प्रोडक्शन ये किया जाने लगा। और नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट इन मेनी अदर कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो। सो बेसिकली इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ये है, ठीक है। अर्लियर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन जो स्टार्ट हुआ था वो आपका यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में 1800 सेंचुरी में स्टार्ट हो चुका था। दिस इज बेसिकली व्हाट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, ओके, ठीक है। अब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन में अगर आपको बात समझनी हो तो क्या इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन क्या है? इज मोस्ट कॉमनली एसोसिएटेड विद यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में। आपको पहले बता चुकी और 1800 सेंचुरी में इसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी थी। तो होता क्या है कि जब हम इंडस्ट्रीज जब कोई एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी होती है ना, तो कोई भी हमेशा एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी रहती नहीं है। दे स्टार्ट कन्वर्टिंग देमसेल्फ, दे स्टार्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग फ्रॉम दैट इकोनॉमी, पर्टिकुलर इकोनॉमी टू अनदर इकोनॉमी। क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर से आपका देश चलने नहीं वाला है, आपको दूसरे सेक्टर में भी ग्रो करना पड़ता है। तो आज की डेट में क्या है, पूरे वर्ल्ड में ही नहीं, पूरे बल्कि इंडिया भी आज कर रहा है, इसका बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले कर रहा है अपने आप का। इट्स प्लेइंग ग्रेट रोल इन कन्वर्टिंग इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रियल इकोनॉमी टू एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी टू इंडस्ट्रियल इकोनॉमी। इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन अब इसके अलावा बहुत सारे एडवांटेज क्रिएट करता है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्रिएटिंग एडवांटेजेस इट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू मैनी डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑल्सो। इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन से बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो कि आपके इकोसिस्टम के लिए क्या है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या है, खतरनाक साबित हो सकती है, ठीक है। तो नाउ लिटिल बिट जो वट एवर इज मेंशन इन योर बुक इज इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंज्यूमर गुड्स एंड कैपिटल गुड्स and of building infrastructure in order to provide goods and services to both individual and businesses. They are saying that industrialization वो process है जिसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, goods and services produce कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ individual के लिए नहीं, पूरे की पूरी society के लिए produce कर रहे हैं। Okay, it plays a major role in economic development and underdeveloped countries like India to free themselves from the adverse effect of unemployment and poverty. So अगर जितना industrialization होगा उससे क्या होगा, आपकी unemployment एंड पॉवर्टी की प्रॉब्लम भी क्या होगी, सॉल्व होगी, ठीक है। इट नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइड्स गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टू यू, इट ऑल्सो रिमूव द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पॉवर्टी एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। Alright, now when we talk about industrialization, I told you that setting up of industries in order to increase the level of production is industrialization. Now अब main बात क्या है, हमको ये पढ़ना है कि how it is harmful for the society. इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन से सोसाइटी कैसे हार्म हो रही है? तो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन सोसाइटी ऐसे हार्म हो रही है कि इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हो रहा है, पोल्यूशन क्रिएट हो रहा है। इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इज मेकिंग रैपिड स्ट्राइड इन इट्स accompanied by growing negative impacts also. So what are the growing negative impacts? So growing negative impact की अगर बात करें, सबसे मेजर क्या है आपका, पोल्यूशन है, ठीक है। ये अब कोई छोटा मोटा कोई आप यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट इंडस्ट्रीज प्ले अ की रोल, a very important role in increasing the level of population in the economy. It has created a lot of pollution, not only the water pollution but also air and other type of pollutions also, noise pollution also, and other type of n number of pollutions are there. So pollution is the major factor which has created a problem to the society. The industries in and around the cities discharge effluents. अब इसके बारे में बात करें तो discharge of effluent है, discharge of effluent is there, ठीक है। effluent क्या है, लिक्विड है, किसी तरह का क्या है, polluted liquid को हम क्या बोलते हैं, effluents कहते हैं। तो discharge of effluents हो रहा है, तो हालांकि this is also the part of pollution only. So discharge of effluent is there accumulated, इसके अलावा लैंड में accumulate हो जाता है, जिससे क्या होता है, various health problems होती हैं, ठीक है। ये सब इंटर रिलेटेड है, हेल्थ इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, हेल्थ इश्यूज आर ऑल्सो देयर, ठीक है। तो आपका इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन सिर्फ आपको गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा है, वो दुनिया भर की क्या चीज़ें कर रहा है, और आपके लिए और दुनिया भर की बाकी की चीज़ें भी क्रिएट। सो बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम की बात करें तो सबसे पहले आपका क्या जाता है, एनवायरमेंट इश्यूज़ में आपका पोल्यूशन हो जाता है, तो पोल्यूशन कुड बी ऑफ एनी टाइप, इट कुड बी एयर, वाटर, नॉइज, देन अब क्या हो रहा है, पोल्यूशन हो रहा है तो किस वजह से हो रहा होगा, आपके डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है, एफ्लुएंट्स डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है। एफ्लुएंट आपको आई टोल्ड यू एफ्लुएंट्स आल्सो अर्लियर, एफ्लुएंट इज व्हाट, बेसिकली लिक्विड, polluted liquid which causes what, which causes pollution, pollution all over, and then soil contamination is there. Soil contamination is सॉइल का दूषित हो जाना, पॉलिटिकल पोल्यूशन ऑफ सॉइल, सॉइल कंटेमिनेशन क्या है, ठीक है। अब दिस इज आल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट। सॉइल कंटेमिनेशन इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम दैट गोज हैंड इन हैंड विद इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन। लेड इज अ मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ सॉइल कंटेमिनेशन, राइट। अब इसमें जो मेन है आपका वो है लेड। लेड जो होता है, लेड एक तरीका केमिकल है जो आपको क्या करता है, आपकी सॉइल को सबसे ज्यादा कंटेमिनेट करता है, राइट। लेड इज द मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ सॉइल कंटेमिनेशन, ठीक है। इसके अलावा आपके और भी मेटल टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स हैं जो आपकी सॉइल को क्या कर रहे हैं, कंटेमिनेट कर रहे हैं, दूषित कर रहे हैं। जो आपकी एक बार सॉइल दूषित होगी तो ऑब्वियसली दिस पोल्यूटेंट्स दे जस्ट गो बीनीथ द वाटर एंड दे जस्ट मिक्स विद द वाटर बेड्स एंड दे क्रिएट व्हाट pollution in the water as well, and we drink this water. Not only the water tables are getting contaminated by this soil contamination, but also what is happening, the fertility of soil is also greatly hampered due to what, this industrialization, right. Apart from this, the industrial revolution may have changed the many outlook of the people, outlook of the world. It has given lot of industrialization has given lot of benefits to us, advantages to us, but apart from this, these things, these are the only few points which I have discussed with you, only because only few points are given in your book. So these are the things which are going to go hand in hand with industrialization, okay. Now we have realized the problem, it is up to us to fix it so that we can continue to grow without hampering what, the environment. So basically these are what the problems that has come up with industrialization, okay. So these were certain few problems which we can see that has popped up with the industrialization and other sort of things, right. So it become, now it is mainly in our hands, it is not only in the hand of the industrialist, but also in the hand of the people, that to understand the need of the time and to reduce this industrialization to a what great extent, right. Now we'll be reading about what, urbanization. Now what basically is urbanization is that, so urbanization, what is urbanization? Now let's go to urbanization. Basically urbanization means increase in the number of urban population. When we talk about urbanization, it means increase in the population, increase in the population of what, urban areas, right. So when we talk about urbanization, what we basically mean is this, that the population of urban areas is increasing due to many factors. There is only not one reason. The one major reason is migration also and industrialization also. When the industries are set up in urban areas, the people from the other areas, non-industrialized areas, they have a tendency to shift to these areas where industries are there, so as to get employment in industries. And apart from industries, they get good better opportunities of everything in these urban areas. So people have a tendency, especially the rural area people, that they migrate to urban areas, and the population of urban areas keeps on increasing. So the constant increase in the population of urban area is what known as urbanization. Urbanization refers to general increase in the urban population because of movement of people from less industrial areas, right. Because of movement of people from less industrial areas. So first it becomes important for us to understand what basically urbanization is. So urbanization क्या है? Urbanization refers to general increase in the urban population because of the movement of the people from less industrial areas, right? The effect of urbanization on environment is immense. Now the effect of urbanization obviously is going to be immense on environment, because when the people shift from less industrial areas to urban areas, there is not only pressure on the natural factors, natural things, but also on the man-made things. Socio-economic infrastructure, socio-economic facilities are also lacking, and the urban population is increasing day by day. First of all, the first point that happens due to urbanization is increase in the number of urban poor is on rise. The number of urban poor is on rise, right? So more and more people from the less industrial areas are migrating to cities. So what happening is the number of poor people in the urban areas is on increase, right? To address the urban poverty, it is important to understand its scale. Now what is happening is this: basically the people are moving from less industrial areas, especially from the rural areas, to urban areas, and there also they are not getting work. So basically what is happening, the number of urban poor is what increasing, right? Now the second problem is this: more people are living in insecure rented houses. Second problem is this: more people are living in small rented places. So basically there is pressure. What there is? Pressure on land, you can say. There is pressure on land, not only the land in the sense that we are talking about the dwelling units, but also on the productivity of land also. There is less production and the demand in these urban areas is more. So this is the second problem, that the people are living in rented areas, small areas. Okay, so the dwelling units are also less. The next is that the number of people without basic water and sanitation increase. Basic necessities are lacking. So another problem is due to urbanization is this: basic necessities, जो भी हमारी sanitation की necessities है, water की necessities है, या if good living conditions की बात है, तो those all are what lacking, because overburden हो गया है. So we can say water and sanitation services are struggling to keep pace with the increasing urban population. So I told you, water and other sanitation, basic necessities, these all necessities, basically they are struggling to compete with the number of people that are migrating or coming towards the urban people, and increase over 100 million people since 2000, right? In the same period, the number of urban population without least basic water and other basic necessities. So since 2000 to 2000, the basic necessities are far below the requirement of the people. There is no simple solution, but there are innovative approaches that can be handled, that can be there to solve the problem. But this is basically, we are not talking about solutions, but we are talking about the problem. So another problem is basic necessities are lacking, right? Now more congestion is there, more congestion in sense of, you can talk about in sense of traffic के बारे में बात हो सकती है, या सैनिटेशन के बारे में बात हो सकती है. तो ये सब चीज़ें भी क्या है, आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा कम पड़ रही है, ठीक है. As a city's population grows and boundaries sprawl, higher car usage, more the use of electronic things, this also creates a problem for the power supply also. More the use of landed areas, so again there is a congestion. Not only the traffic congestion we are talking about, but other kinds of congestions are also there, right? Congestion affects road safety as far as this is concerned. The wealthy and can afford the safest vehicles, but it's not possible with the poor people. The wealthy can have safe traveling facilities, but the poor cannot. So this is increasing what a congestion in the traffic also. Not only the congestion in traffic, but they are creating a danger to the life of the people also, right? And apart from this, poor air quality is there, poor health quality. So people in these areas are more, and due to urbanization, I told you urbanization is basically the migration of non-industrial areas to the industrial areas in the search of job and other better facilities. So the another problem that is there is the poor health quality, poor health conditions, the number of hospitals is also very very less. This is also creating a problem. So basically urbanization और industrialization क्या कर रहा है? Basically urbanization और industrialization is creating problem for the people in many senses. It is the number of urban poor is on rise because जो लोग गाँव से शहर की तरफ आ रहे हैं, it's not like that they're getting jobs. उनका स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग पहला बेटर गाँव में ही था. यहाँ पे आने के बाद क्या हो गया, नंबर ऑफ पुअर पीपल राइज हो गया है. मोर पीपल आर लिविंग इन स्मॉल रेंटेड हाउसेज. सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ रेंटेड हाउसेज के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. मोर पीपल, देयर इज प्रेशर ऑन लैंड, मोर पीपल आर लिविंग इन स्मॉल एरियाज. बेसिक नेसेसिटीज की लैक हो रही है. जो बेसिक चीज़ें, जितनी भी बेसिक चीज़ें हैं उनकी भी कमी है. ठीक है. एंड मोर कंजेशन है, हर जगह कंजेशन है. ट्रैफिक से लेकर के आप सैनिटेशन की बात करें तो वहाँ पर भी आपकी हेल्थ क्वालिटी क्या है, बहुत पुअर हो गई है. और लैक ऑफ क्या है, जॉब्स है. और बाकी की प्रॉब्लम्स तो हैं ही जो मैं आपसे पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. सो बेसिकली दिस इज व्हाट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड अर्बनाइजेशन एंड हाउ इट इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम इन to ecosystem. So we'll be meeting in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe.